DH plastic sheet butt welding and rolling machine. Butt furring thickness 3 to 50 mm. Rolling thickness 3 to 20 mm.